Fat Controller was looking forward to hot buttered toast for tea at home. Suddenly he heard an extraordinary noise. Whee! Bother, he said, and hurried to the yard. Duck and Percy calmly sat on the points outside the shed, refusing to let the engines in. Gordon, James, and Henry were furious. "Stop that noise!" bellowed the Fat Controller. "They won't let us in," hissed Gordon. Duck explained this behaviour. "Beg pardon, sir, but I'm a Great Western engine. We do our work without fuss. But begging your pardon, sir, Percy and I would be glad if you would inform these engines that we only take orders from you." "Silence!" snapped the Fat Controller. "Percy and Duck, I am pleased with your work today, but not with your behaviour tonight. You have caused a disturbance." Gordon, Henry, and James sniggered. "As for you," thundered the Fat Controller, "you've been worse. You made the disturbance. Duck is quite right. This is my railway, and I give the orders." After Percy went away, Duck was left to manage alone. He did so easily.